Thanks for choosing Azumo. This video will guide you on how to download the software, power up, and upload and display custom images on your dev kit. This guide will work for any of these Azumo dev kits. On the larger kits, the control buttons and USB connector are on the side, and on the smaller kits you can find the control buttons and USB on the front of the board. Here's what you'll find in the box: your dev kit, micro USB cord, and a quick start guide. To download software, click the link below to find the files for your system in the installer. Click on your OS, then download and unpack your files. Connect the dev kit to your computer with the micro USB, then click Connect. Select your dev kit and click OK. Now you're powered up, and this is how your device will display when you're in bright ambient light. You can also control the board with the three buttons on the side. Power turns it on, Frontlit turns the display light on, and Next starts the slideshow or advances the images. When you're in a dark environment, click On in the LED brightness control to turn on the front light. You can also adjust the brightness. If you have a color board, you can adjust the colors in fill color. To upload images, you simply drag and drop them here. PNG format images with the correct monochrome or RGB palette work best. Images will be cropped and rotated automatically to best fit the screen. You can choose the memory slot you want to save to. To save the images to the kit, make sure you click Store. Images will appear but won't save if you don't click this. You can click Recall to pull up a specific image on the kit, and scroll through your images using the carrots or arrows. To start the slideshow, click and hold Next for 2 seconds. You can adjust the time setting for your slideshow in the LCD control panel. Click Clear Screen to clear the display without deleting images you've uploaded. In the board pane, you can reset to default settings, which will delete any images you've uploaded. When you're done using the dev kit, click the disconnect button in the board pane before unplugging it. Thanks for choosing Azumo.